Karizma. Malapit
all right. What is up? I'm in Agios Nikolaos. You have been asking me, hey, why you are not making food reviews? First of all, I don't have the money to buy the food to make a review. If you want to support me, go ahead, send the money for the food and I will make the review. And secondly, if you are someone who is visiting Agios Nikolaos, or if you are staying in Ilunda or in Plaka, this Taverna, Roza, this one is my favorite yet. They have traditional music, they have traditional dishes. I highly suggest Kliftiko. Kliftiko is a recipe that you can order, and so you also can listen to the music. Taverna Roza is highly recommended. Well, that's up to you. If you wanna send some money for me to review a food or something, that's not necessary, but if you would do, I would really appreciate that. In case if you just want to accept my words and trust me, then please visit this taverna, eat something, and you will thank me later. And their prices are also for the locals. It is not touristic prices, which you will be more than happy to pay any price here, because everything is like in half compared to the prices in Germany, in Netherlands, in England. Nothing is that expensive here. But anyways, if you are still somebody who is on a budget and looking for a place to eat good quality food and also pay a good price, then Taverna Roza here in Agios Nikolaos. Yeah, I will also leave a link in the description to this exact address as well. Agios Nikolaos is most of the time in the morning time. It is not windy, it's less windy. Most of the time, like all year round, it is less windy. But in afternoons and somewhere around 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, it is getting a little bit windy, and then again in the late afternoon around 5 o'clock, around 6 o'clock, then it's again not windy. So that's something about this place that you should also know, in case if you are planning some activities, you already know when to plan. Kreta is the type of island that we have fruit on our squares. In case if you are someone who is running out of energy and you just need a fresh fruit to eat or to use, then you can grab one from the tree and eat it. Isn't that great? This is a very blessed island, my friend. It's a very blessed island. If you come here, you will be also blessed and you will be part of the magic team. the place in my background seems pretty dope to have a coffee or maybe eat something different. I wish to do that, but I don't have enough money. One day, maybe one day. But links in the description. Yeah. This was it for Agios Nikolaos. Hope you liked the video. If you did, hit the like button and also share your thoughts, recommendations, your ideas in the comment section. And if you are already having a good time, consider subscribing. And if you want to support me, support the channel, my Patreon account link and my PayPal account link in the description. Other than that, until the next time, peace.